1946 Piper J3 Cub for sale in Sussex, New Jersey 07461. 1946 Piper J3 Cub offered for sale, totally restored in November 2015. Engine/prop C8512F with O2 crankshaft 65 by Don 3 machine wooden Sense-Knit prop, new with restore, HP 97.6 TT 1722.7 SMO 150.25 exterior yellow N6353 HSN 19533 no damage history since restored always hangared since restoration logs complete avionics/equipment for elect, all. Starter Nevin landing lights wigwags at speedcom radio with 2-place intercom sunroof altitude recording trig transponder fresh annual with cell no leaks seller's notes. This antique has been restored to the glory it deserves. Great plane, very well maintained. Price to sell. For assistance with financing, transportation, inspection or if you would like a free vehicle valuation please email or phone customer support at 402-502-8385. Attention buyer caveat emptor, please remember to inspect vehicle prior to purchase.